for you, accusing many crimes, but I won't believe love can still survive. You don't have to say it, I don't have to read your mind to know the emptiness inside of me, alright. No right from wrong. Words were hardly spoken, so where did I go wrong? Tell me honesty, if you feel love for me, look into my eyes, honestly. Words have no meaning if they say a certain time. Now the only thing I found will be alive.